Hello, everybody. My name is Avner, and today we're going to be talking about expander. So, expander, it's basically like this. I'll show you an image, okay? Because I can't really describe it. So here's the image. Expander, right? No, in Python. Yeah, like this. Or here. Here, how can I show you? Yes, this is an expander basically. This is how it looks like. So, oh yeah, and also say hi to my brother Enver. Okay, he also has a YouTube channel, Kiddos-AK. He's about to reach 3,000 subscribers, so please help him and please subscribe, okay? I'm posting Python videos on his YouTube channel, so please subscribe to his channel, okay? Hi. He controls it. Anyways, back to expander. This is how it looks like, okay? So that's what we're going to be doing today. Now, we first have to save this, right? So we can name it practice. Yeah, we'll just write practice. And I'll get started. So import streamer as st. And then we put this title, expander. Then we do str, right? So this one we can do name. We can write anything as a name. So as a name, we're going to write Avner. And then, yes, then we do with st dot expander. Pretty sure yes, view. So this is just the view marks. Okay? For this is just an example, right? Now we have to do st dot right. And then we put in the marks for what subject. So math 95 and and science 100 st, and then we're going to do one last one, and that's going to be art. Okay, I'll pick a random number. Okay, yeah, 68. So now we just save it like Control S. And so guys, subscribe to his channel too, okay? Yeah, I also have a YouTube channel with 18,000 subscribers. I'm about to reach 2,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to that channel too. It's called Avner Pro. And my brother's channel is called Kiddos-AK if you don't know that. So we open the system shell, Streamlit, run practice.py, and then we just wait for it. Okay, so this is expander. Yes, this is how the expander looks like. Now we can create many expanders, okay? Not just one. So let's do a little more, okay? So this was for Avner. I wonder who that is. Next one we could do Enver. Okay. We'll just pick a random name. Enver the Ice Cream Man. Yeah, that's a good name. So instead of view marks, we could, for Enver, let's not do view marks. Oh, no, okay. Let's do sports. Okay. Favorite sports. Yes. So So favorite sports you could say like soccer. We can say hockey and basketball and basketball. So yeah, so we just save that like we did last time. And then we have to control R to refresh it. So now we have two. So one for Abner, that's to view marks, and Enver, the ice cream man, is that's the favorite sport: soccer, hockey, basketball. Okay, so thank you everyone for listening to my video. I hope you like it, and bye. And also, this is how a simple expander looks like. Okay,
Bye, guys.
bye.
So do class tomorrow.